Good day, this is Teacher Janice and I welcome you all to our math class. For this video presentation, we will be learning about estimating sums and difference of decimals. What is estimation? Estimation is used to find a quick and easy answer to a problem when an exact answer is not necessary. Let's have this conversation of Mary and Joshua. Lei ordered one large Hawaiian pizza for 232 pesos and 50 centavos and a large vegetable pizza for 158 pesos and 75 centavos. About how much did she spend for the pizza? About 392 pesos, I think, said Joshua. Using the word about means you are asked to estimate, just like what Joshua did. What you will do to check if the answer is correct? Can you still remember the rules or the steps in rounding numbers or decimals? Yes, you can estimate the sum by rounding numbers. Let us try. First, round each number to the nearest peso or 1. 232 pesos and 50 centavos will become 233 pesos. 158 pesos and 75 centavos will become 159 pesos. Then, let's add. We have 392 pesos. 392 pesos is the estimated sum. Compared to the actual sum, which is 391 pesos and 25 centavos. You may also round the numbers to the nearest 10. Using the same given, you will round this off to the nearest 10, 232 and 50 hundredths, that will become 230, and 158 and 75 hundredths will become 160. Then add, that is equal to 390. This is the estimated sum. Round the numbers to the nearest 100. Yes, we can round it off to the nearest 100. 232 and 50 hundredths will become 200, and 158 and 75 hundredths will become 200. Then add, we have 400. 400 is the estimated sum. We have here the estimated sums. When we round it off to the nearest peso or 1, we have 392. When we rounded to the nearest 10, we got 390. And when we rounded up to the nearest 100, we got 400. Compare to the actual sum, that is 391 pesos and 25 centavos. The sum estimated to the nearest peso is close to the actual sum than the sum to the nearest 10 or 100. In this case, it is better to round the digits to the lower place value to get an estimate that is closer to the actual sum. However, if you want to get a quick estimation, round the numbers to the highest place value. Now let us go to estimating difference. For example, 489,964 minus 217,522. 489,964 becomes 490,000. 217,522 becomes 220,000. Then subtract, we have 270,000. And this is the estimated difference. Compared to the estimated or to the actual difference, we have 272,442. In this case, we rounded the number to the nearest 10,000s. Since the estimated difference is nearest to the actual difference, the solution makes sense. We may use another strategy, or what we call front-end technique. For example, estimate the sum of 1 and 32 hundredths, 1 and 29 hundredths, and 1 and 34 hundredths. Step 1. Add the front-end digits. We have 1 in 1 and 32 hundredths, 1 in 1 and 29 hundredths, and another 1 in 1 and 34 hundredths. Then add 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, and the rest of the digits will be 0. Step 2. Estimate the sum of the remaining digits by adding the digits in the tens place, or the next digit. We have 32 hundredths, the rounded number, or it will become 30 hundredths or 3 tenths. 29 hundredths will be 20 hundredths or 2 tenths. Then 32 hundredths will be 30 hundredths or 3 tenths. Then you add, or let's add. You have 3 plus 2 plus 3 is 8. Now let's do the step 3. Add the two values to get the estimate. We have 3 plus 8 tenths or 80 hundredths, that is equal to 3 and 80 hundredths or 3 and 8 tenths. We may use the same technique in estimating the difference. For example, use the front-end technique to solve the problem. A polo shirt sells at ABC department store for 585 pesos and 50 centavos. The same uniform sells for 152 pesos in a factory outlet. About how much less is the cost of the polo shirt in the factory outlet? So when we read the word about, that means we are asked to do the estimation. Let's have the step 1. Subtract the front digits. Front digits are 5 and 1. Then we will subtract. It will give us a difference of 4. Then the rest of the digits will become 0. Step 2. Adjust your estimate by subtracting the next digit. The next digit to the right. That is 8 and 5. Let's subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3, then copy the same answer or difference in 5 minus 1, that is 43. And the rest of the digits will become 0, so we have 430 pesos. The polo shirt is about 430 pesos less in the factory outlet. Now for your activity, answer check your understanding on page 148. Use your math notebook. Remember, class, that in everything we do, Jesus is glorified. To end this video presentation, I must say, thank you for watching.